In today's video, I'll teach you how to change active status dot color on Messenger. So first of all, launch open Messenger application. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Initially, you'll lead to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the active status dot color, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu. What you have to do is tap on this option settings that you can see at top. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for preferences, you'll be able to find this option for accessibility at fourth. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options related with accessibility. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for color filter. So what you have to do is tap on it. By default, unfiltered is selected. That means the active status will be in the green color. So what you have to do is simply tap on any other option of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here the active status dot color will be changed. After you do that, simply go back. Now the color filter will be on. Now the active status dot will appear in different color. So that is how you change active status dot color on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.